Hi everyone. So in this video session, I'm just going to solve one question from data structure and algorithm, and the topic is heap data structure. Okay. So here you have to perform a heapify operation and you have to eliminate the options, right? So this question can be done without any sort of algorithm here, right? You can directly eliminate the options. Okay. Though in this question they did not explicitly mention that whether you have to get a max heap or a min heap, but since they did not mention anything, so by default our assumption is going to be max heap only, right? So let's see the question. So this question was there, and this question was for 2 mark. Okay, and you don't need in fact any sort of tree to draw. Okay, because they have given the array, and this array is heapified, but they did not explicitly mention. Okay, यहाँ पर उन्होंने mention नहीं किया है कि आपको max heap, you have to get max heap or a min heap, right? So which one of the following options represent the first 3 element in the heapified array? So by default our assumption is going to be max heap. Okay, and what is the meaning of max heap? I believe many of you may understand that what is the meaning of max heap. Okay, so max heap is nothing but every parent node. Okay, there will be parent node and the children node. Okay, so every parent node will be having the greater element, okay, than the children. And in case of min heap, okay, so every parent node will be having what, the smaller element, you can say smaller than the smaller, or you can say equal to its children. Okay, and what is the meaning of heapify? Heapify means the process of arranging elements into a heap. Okay, heapify means process of arranging, okay, arranging elements. Okay, arranging elements into the heap. Okay, I think this is clear. Into the heap. So in this question, since this is 2 mark question and they did not mention anything regarding whether you have to heapify max heap or a min heap, you have to get max heap or a min heap. Okay, so what we can do here is we have got the input array here. Okay, and you have to perform the heapify operation. So if the heap is max heap, okay, so we have to rearrange the elements such that the largest element, okay, becomes the root. Okay, and the heap property is maintained. Please remember that largest, okay, element is going to be at the top level of the tree. Okay, remember this. And in case of min heap, if the heap is min heap, okay, you have to rearrange the elements such that the smallest element becomes the root. Okay, smallest element is going to be at the top. Understand? So these are the few things that you have to remember. Now you have to heapify it. Okay, you have to heapify here. Let's say by default we are going to consider the max heap. Okay, since they did not mention, so we are going to consider max heap. ठीक है, max heap हम consider करेंगे. And you have to only worry about 3 element in this max heap. Okay, top 3 element in the max heap. So in case of max heap, the maximum element should be in the top level, you can say, right? So in this array you just find out which one is the maximum value. Okay, maximum element, you can say. So 131 is the maximum value here, right? This is going to stay at the top, you can say, like 131. Okay, so you look at the option now. So first element should be 131. Okay, please remember this point. So this option will be eliminated. This option will be eliminated. Okay, so whenever you are solving gate computer science question, okay, you can eliminate 2 options, at least 2 options by concepts. Okay, so in case of max heap, the maximum value of the element should be at the top level, you can say. Okay, and now the first 3 element in the max heap you have to find. So you have to find the first 3 element in the max heap, and they would be the largest 3 element in the heapified array, right? So next, if you look at next element, C. Now option is C and D. There is a fight between C and D. So this 11 should not be after 131. Why? The reason is this is one of the smallest element in this array, right? So since we are considering the max heap, okay, max heap, so this smallest element should come at the bottom of the tree, right? Should not come anywhere, okay, except bottom, okay. So it cannot be the root here, understand? So you see here, so this option cannot be correct, okay. I mean, it cannot be the, you can say that element of the parent, okay. So this is only the option which is correct, okay. So this, then this, then this. I hope this makes sense. So in case of max heap, the first three element in the heapified array is going to be 131 triple 90. Understand? So the three largest elements are 131 triple 1 and 101, right? So you can also check whether there is a min heap or not, but by default, whenever gate question will be asked and they did not mention anything regarding max or a min heap, they are just saying you have to perform heapify operation, you have to heapify this array. And a heap is nothing but a complete binary tree, okay, stored in an array, right? So and heapify means process of arranging element into a heap. So there are, you can say, you can arrange elements in two, you can say, using max heap or a min heap, right? Okay, so I hope this makes sense. Option D is going to be correct. You don't need, in fact, more than 40 seconds to answer this question, right? You just need 40 seconds to answer this question. Okay, and you can solve using heapify algorithm, you will get the same. So, but they are just interested to know first three elements, so why you will draw complete tree and all, right? So I hope you might have enjoyed this solution. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.